Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I didn't really post for Thanksgiving because things got out of hand. I did film a lot, but I didn't really post anything because time just got out of my control and dealing with Nico and everything was just crazy. However, we are going to be cooking some pumpkin bread that I didn't have time to make. Papa. You guys will meet him soon, just not yet. But you guys will meet him soon. But he's being entertained because he's eating. Somebody else is feeding him. His Nina is feeding him. And speaking of which, they didn't get to celebrate Thanksgiving with us, but they did get to spend the weekend with us. So today, you guys don't get to meet Nico, but you do get to meet my goddaughter, Goddaughter. There she is. I was gonna knock. Hello, Goddaughter. Jacqueline. Jacques.
Hi.
Goddaughter. Say hello to the YouTubes.
Hi.
So anyway, so we're gonna be doing pumpkin bread. We're gonna be baking today. We did get this
Pumpkin bread.
Libby's pumpkin bread, classic pumpkin bread kit with icing mix. So we do have the oven preheating. It's preheating as we speak. Can you open that?
Yeah.
Teamwork makes the dream work. What's that?
Here's the icing.
Is that what that is?
Icing mix, yeah.
Okay, so this thing makes 2 loaves, Jacqueline, and I think we don't have an option of just making 1.
Okay, so let's make 2.
So we're gonna make 2.
Are we gonna still make the, what is it, cranberry? No, isn't it raspberry?
Cranberry brie bites. We might. We might be making that. Okay, so this is your actual mix. Okay, so let's see. She already has her olive oil, no, vegetable oil already measured out. She's gonna be cracking her egg. She's got her water already measured out. We tried to be efficient.
Yep. We got our can opener.
Okay, pumpkin bread. Wow, this would have been awesome. So we are going to be doing 2 loaves. So it says combine eggs, water, oil, and Libby's 100% pure pumpkin in large bowl.
Oh!
Mix until well blended. Okay.
So what are we gonna do? What do we need?
Okay, so we're gonna need to put your water in here. So put your water first.
Yeah.
She's got 1 cup of water.
1 cup only.
Okay, and then in that same bowl, can you crack those 4 eggs?
In this same bowl?
Mm-hmm. So that way we don't get eggshells.
Ugh, so slimy. So slimy.
Do you like to cook?
Oh, I love to cook.
You love to cook?
I make eggs mostly, not every day, but like, I do it like once in a while.
Yeah.
With my sister watching me, of course, I can't do the oven.
Uh-huh.
Done.
Do you have any shells in there?
No, we
I
don't.
think you do, baby.
No, we don't.
Mama, I think you do.
Where? I don't see
Yeah, look, you're right there. You see it?
Uh-huh.
So...
Do I get it out?
Yeah.
Okay, no more shells, no more shells. Let's see.
No more shells in there?
Nope.
Okay, so then pump that into the... or dump it into the mixer.
Oh, well, I am. Don't worry.
All right.
Now oil.
Dump in your oil.
Oil dumped.
Okay. Toss that over there into the actual sink.
Wait. Let's do this.
Then, put that in there.
Hold on. Almost.
Heck yeah.
Oh, it smells so bad. I hate the smell of this.
You don't like the smell of pumpkin?
Nope.
Why are we making this?
I like the smell, but like not the real pumpkin. But I like the taste of it.
Jax is like my #1
Favorite?
supporter. Yes. And my #1 goddaughter. She's my only goddaughter.
Yep.
But she's my favorite of the goddaughters.
Jordan.
She's my #1 supporter on YouTube. She watches my videos.
Yeah.
My old videos.
Your really old videos.
And she's actually the one that tells me that I have to be back on YouTube.
Yes,
so.
I do. And this is why we're filming this today.
And this is why we're filming this today. Because I didn't have a video to post
Nope.
for her. So I said, well, I really hope that I can make it up to you by having you just film with me then. And she settled for that.
And guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Or else a tarantula will come in your bed tonight.
I love that. I didn't even have to pay her to say that.
No, we're not. And please comment.
There you go. And please comment. Do you have any favorite YouTubers that you like to watch other than me, of course?
I literally try to search you up, but it doesn't show you.
But I mean, no, like, do you have any favorite YouTubers that you like to watch?
You're my first, and Denny is my second.
Denny. And what does she post? I've never.
She posts
heard of
makeup and like gaming videos.
Oh, okay. So she games.
Yes, but my first one is you.
I love that. Thank you. Okay, so now we have that in there. Pour it all in there.
For the mixture. Goodbye.
You get it all out?
Most of it. Yep, all out.
Okay. So lift this up. Ready?
For a
So his Nina is taking care of him, his godmother, while I hang out with my goddaughter.
Ew. Oh, no,
And so is his Nana. It's a team effort with Nicholas.
Yep. There, should I throw this away or do we need it?
You can just leave it on the side for right now.
Okay. It has blanket on it.
Take this off.
Ooh. I want to lick it so bad, but I know it's not going to taste sweet.
No, it should be fine now. The mix probably had the sugar. Just the pure pumpkin wasn't sweet.
Oh, it was not sweet. That's why I cleaned it right here.
Okay.
Jordan?
Do you want to taste it?
Yes. Of course it is.
It's pretty good, huh?
Tastes like pumpkin bread.
Okay. You got it?
Yep. I'm a professional.
Good job.
Give me the spatula.
Can you do it with one hand?
Yep. I'm the best at cooking. Get all that extra batter out. Oh. Okay, you can do the rest again.
I can do the rest? Okay.
Yep, I can just take it out.
Oh, I think I probably should have given you a bigger spatula, that's why.
Definitely. It's kind of hard to scoop.
Do you want to grab a bigger one?
I don't know where they are. I don't know this house.
You don't know my house?
No. I've been here. But
Many a times.
But they
Go look in that first drawer right there.
This one?
Check in that one. Is there a bigger one?
There's this one. The scooper.
There you go. That'll work.
That will work. Oh yeah, this is way better. Ugh.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh, I'm scared.
Can you do it?
Yeah, I can do it.
Just do that and then push it with your little hands. There you go. Close it. All right. Set it for 350 and I think it's like an hour, so we'll double check, but we'll see you guys in a little bit. Maybe what
I
happened?
don't know.
You were squeezing it, weren't you?
No, I did. I'm probably just.
You're just breathing into our icing. Great. Okay, so we're back. Our cake is now cooled. It took forever,
Like 3
To
hours
make-
almost.
but now it's done. So now we're gonna do the icing. We already put our water in here.
I can't believe we have to do the icing.
Why? This is all fun stuff.
I know, but I thought we had to just. Hello. Is it turning into icing?
Mm-hmm. It's just turning into like.
Just icing. Nothing else. But icing. Oh.
Okay, I think we may need a little bit more water because
Monica,
this is not.
It might stain your shirt.
It won't stain. We'll get it off. Okay, so this stuff is really thick.
Let me see. What does that smell like? It just smells like, I don't know, milk.
Well, you gotta pour it on.
I have to pour it on. With what?
Or I can pour it on here because it's gonna be a little bit. It's
Tricky.
a little bit difficult.
Tricky.
Okay, so we're just gonna
Oh.
drizzle it. Is it good?
What is this? Now you can get powder mix and water together, or milk, and you can make icing.
Well, you have to make sure you have the icing powder mix.
Yes. Not just any.
Okay.
Easy.
Interact with it.
Very
What?
like synthetic tasting.
Oh.
I don't think I like that.
I don't think it.
Okay, so now we're gonna do our taste test.
I'm scared.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is amazing. Huh.
It's super hot.
Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't got no lashes.
Yes, you do.
Golly.
Why?
Okay, well there you have it. We made our Libby's pumpkin bread.
Yep. And unfortunately, we couldn't do the raspberry, cranberry,
Mm-hmm.
rice.
But it's okay. Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
So out of this, what do you give it? 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Wow. All right.
But like the icing by itself, I would give it like, I don't know, like a 4.
Mm.
Back in. Eric.
How'd you do that?
Go away.
Go away. Perfect.
So yeah, so there you have it.
Maybe next time we'll make the cranberry.
Maybe next time we will make the cranberry. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff on the bottom. And we will see you guys in my next one.
Bye.
Bye.